That's what it says.
Okay, let me speak now. You'll be speaking.
Yeah,
The hadith clearly you misquoted.
So Prophet Muhammad,
you misquoted because when you're speaking to sisters here,
I quoted it straight.
I can't tell when she was speaking.
You see?
So, wait.
That interrupt when she was speaking, I didn't interrupt. Why should you interrupt?
Your problem is that you don't listen when others
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Let's someone time it.
Okay, so no time.
We're gonna time it.
I'm not timing.
No, because you can't.
She spoke and he said, I'm gonna listen. I came here. I'm gonna clarify something to you.
No.
What do you mean no?
We're gonna agree.
I tried to do my best to help you, but I have to go. Don't listen to her.
Brother, let's do this.
No. If you allow me to speak, you spoke. Let me speak now.
You're not allowing him to speak. Let him speak.
I will allow you to speak.
Okay,
I will allow you to speak, but I've spoken to you before.
But you run away?
No. I've spoken to you before. What you want to do here is you want to speak on and on and then walk away.
No, I'm not
so
going to do
I'm saying, in order to speak to you, let's have a timed conversation. And that's the condition on which I'll speak to you.
Okay, now, let me speak.
Yes or no?
No, let me speak.
Let's agree the condition.
No, let me speak.
Yes, speak, but let's agree the condition.
Okay, let me speak. Okay, are you my master? You know my master.
I'm not your master.
Okay.
I'm saying,
so
let's agree the condition.
No,
because
I mean finish. Then we agree on condition that which I have to agree with too. Okay.
Okay.
The first thing is she's not.
Go on.
Calm down. You there? You just coming closer. Calm down.
Go on.
First of all, when I come here, I mentioned that clearly to people here. I clarify points to people. I'm not here to speak to you till tomorrow.
Exactly.
I have a life. So you want me to speak to you till tomorrow?
Go on.
Exactly.
No. I'm saying the condition on which I will speak to you. The condition on which I will speak to you is where we have a time conversation.
You never talk.
If you don't want to have a time conversation, we're not going to talk.
Okay, sister, I'm going to ask you. When she came to you, did she tell you the condition?
No, I didn't because.
Okay, see why? Because this hypocrisy.
They listen.
So no
I've spoken to you before. I've spoken to you before.
You keep cutting me.
And I want this conversation.
You are accusing me of something which yourself you're falling into.
Let him answer.
Okay, she lied against Prophet
we
Muhammad.
Have a time conversation?
You answer.
Okay, she lied against Prophet Muhammad. She said to the sisters here, do you believe that women are deficiency in their brain? Then she asked me, I said, clearly you are misquoting Prophet Muhammad. Because deficiency here doesn't mean women are foolish or stupid. The fact of that Aisha, may Allah pleased with her. Yeah, Aisha, may Allah pleased with her, sisters, for you to understand. Aisha, may Allah pleased with her. She was one of the great scholars of our time. Rather, the companions from the males used to go back to her and seek her advice. Likewise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Quran that He gave us an example for us to follow. Who are they? ضرب الله مثل الذين آمنوا امرأة من؟ امرأة فرعون. No, before امرأة لوط. امرأة فرعون, نعم, and Maryam. Two women that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us as Muslim believers. Example for us to follow. The wife of Pharaoh. We don't believe man should marry another man. We believe the wife of Pharaoh, she was a woman. Okay, let me clear. So we have to follow her. So if women are deficiency means they are stupid, therefore we should not follow them at all. Likewise, Maryam, Allah gave an example about her that there is example for us to follow. So what Prophet Muhammad meant here, as the Sheikh Salih al-Luhaydan, one of the Muslim scholars, explained, he said the narration itself explained itself, meaning that Islamically, when you need one witness for a man, but as for women you need two witnesses. You see, that's what it means. The other one, Prophet Muhammad when he said majority of women are in the hellfire, she doesn't know that there's more women in paradise than a man. What is the proof? That Prophet Muhammad said in the hadith that the Muslim, there will be no single man inside paradise. A Muslim, there will be a man in paradise will be married what? Two women. Therefore, women in Jannah are more than who?
Men.
So why don't you speak about this hadith?
Okay. Have you finished?
Because why? She has agenda behind that.
Brother, have you finished?
I clarified that to you anyway.
Okay.
No, wait. I told you. No, I'm finished.
You finished.
No, I told you. Let me finish.
No, you can't be talking forever.
I didn't say forever. It's not even 1 minute.
No, I timed you later.
No, I didn't agree with your time.
After 2 minutes.
I didn't agree with your time.
After 2 minutes.
No, I didn't agree with your time.
Okay, so can we carry on?
I didn't agree with your time.
But you can't go on.
I'm going to show you on the Bible about the woman.
No, you cannot preach at me.
Okay, no, I'm not preaching. I'm going to show you about the woman in the Bible.
After 2 minutes, you have to stop.
I'm going to stop, of course. I've already clarified to you. You don't tell me how long to speak. I'm going to actually about the woman. Is a woman under a man or a man is under a woman? And who the reason for Adam to be deceived? And a woman should speak in the church? No. And if sister, according to her belief, she should shave your hair.
What's her name? Shemsy. Yeah. Shemsy Can
No, I'm
we,
going to show you.
Shamsi, you
You
finished
come into my
carrying-
sisters here,
Shamsi,
try to
Shamsi,
tell them that Islam
Shamsi,
speaks
you're
ill of
just
women.
like, you need
So
to
let
let
me-
me speak. You've just finished that
You
point.
spoke, I'm going to finish. I'm
No,
going to finish and then you speak.
After 2 minutes, you need to stop and let me speak.
Okay, but let me
Yeah?
show you something.
Okay, your time is going.
Okay. No, you can't just tell me your time is going. Calm
Yes,
down.
your time is going.
Yeah, it's not going. It's still here, my time. My time is still here. How about the woman that Jesus
You've got
said?
10 seconds.
No, I don't have to. I don't have to. Yeah, it takes time until يوم القيامة, day of judgment. Okay, I'm just.
Shamsi, time is up, so I'm
No,
going
it
to
hasn't.
speak now.
No,
Time is up.
No, it hasn't. I'm not gonna.
I'm gonna speak.
I haven't finished my point.
Because-
my point
no, no,
about
no, no, no.
the
You
women
can't
are
be
under a
here.
man,
Okay,
and a
let's
woman,
go.
you
I'm not
should.
gonna talk to you
Sister,
unless-
according to her
you can't
belief,
keep
she should have a
talking.
razor
You've
and
been
shave your head.
talking You've been talking
You
for
can't
3
believe
minutes.
how you humiliate a woman.
You can't
In
keep
Islam, we
talking
don't have
over
that.
me. I'm
In
not
Islam, we
gonna-
don't have that.
let's go.
Yeah, run away, run away, like a slave.
Because
Yes.
you will listen to me
Lying
when I
against
speak.
Islam.
Yeah.
You're lying against Islam to my sisters. Yes. So my sister,
You
these
want a
girls are known.
one-way
Yes.
conversation.
These girls that are known, they come to the Muslim who doesn't know and try to spread. Why would Shura from the Bible? Don't laugh at her. Just let her go. Why would Shura that according to the Bible, women are under a man, okay? And the reason that Adam was deceived because of women. But Allah mentioned both of them fall into sin, Adam and his wife. But in Christianity, they accuse a woman. She was the reason for Adam to be deceived, okay? So I hope that is clear, my sisters, okay? Inshallah.